Hi guys, I'm Reckley, and I got very good news. I finally found the motivation to dive into electronics and programming electronic components. Yay! I've always been interested in this field, but I never got around to exploring it during my studies. I am fully a software developer by profession, with my very little experience in embedded systems or microcontrollers. But to get started, I ordered an Arduino Uno 3 starter kit, which arrived today. My next step is to acquire the necessary knowledge, and I have already found, I hope, a beginner-friendly tutorial electronics, which I will link in the video description below, and I plan to explore more resources about Arduino and similar topics while experimenting with different projects. And my goal, I don't know, to build maybe something cool, maybe a small rolling car or even a flying drone. We will see, and I'd love to hear your experiences or recommendations. If you have any tips, please share them in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, you're awesome, and goodbye.